What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. As you've seen in our previous video, we have a 2007 Jeep Wrangler budget build. This is going to be a really fun truck. Little history on the Jeep. This Jeep actually came from the auctions. It was a Copart auction Jeep. It came out of Georgia with 140,000 miles on it, and we decided that it would be a really cool project vehicle prior to starting a YouTube channel, and now I think it's going to be a great first vehicle for the channel, and I hope y'all really like it. We're going to try and do some fun things with it. I just kind of wanted to go over some of the things that were on the vehicle prior to the wheel install video. Prior to, we had the grille and the LED lights. We also have a soft top installed, as well as LED tail lights here on the back. Coming soon, we'll see a new rear bumper, a new front bumper. We'll be getting rid of the side steps, and there will be a lift coming. As you can see, with the wheels installed, it's got a nice big stance on it. What we're going to do next is lift it with a 3 1/4 inch lift kit from Rough Country. Let me know what you all think. We will also be doing a spare tire delete kit. That's why there is no aftermarket wheel on the vehicle at the moment. If y'all wouldn't mind to like and subscribe, that'd help our channel greatly. I'm trying to bring you some great content with this Jeep Wrangler. Hey guys, I just wanted to jump on and show you one of the parts I just ordered for the Jeep for our budget Jeep build. We just purchased a 3 1/4 inch lift from Rough Country, soon to be installed.